Sick and tired of the PhysX 3 Common 86 DLL crash stopping your play? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair the link between your engine and hardware right now. Access the official PhysX 3 Common 86 diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This DLL file provides the shared foundational routines for the PhysX 3 engine. It manages memory allocation and basic mathematical functions required by other 32-bit PhysX modules to execute correctly. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. When the PhysX 3 Common 86 DLL is reported as missing, it often points to a corrupted graphics stack. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to fix legacy DirectX components and ensure your GPU drivers are updated if the file is associated with CUDA, OpenCL, or OpenGL. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the PhysX 3 Common 86, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Safety first, never attempt to replace the PhysX 3 Common 86 DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If you're exploring professional monitoring options, the software linked below provides general diagnostic information for the PhysX 3 Common 86. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for the PhysX 3 Common 86 and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.